Get their items in for sale by the Wednesday the 27th by 5 p.m. The sale's on the Friday the 29th to the Sunday the 31st. Bidding closes at 3 p.m. on the Sunday. We've got the Glennie Kindy doing the barbecue on the Saturday. It's going to be a great sale. If you've got anything that you think that might fit into your big boys' toys, whether that be a boat or maybe a motorbike or maybe it's just a drill or something, bring it into the Tender Centre for sale for that sale, because I think it'll be a huge one. Now, leading up to that, we've been really busy. We've had lots and lots of things in. So if you'd like to sell some items and you'd like to have the benefit of bringing them to the Tender Centre and not having people come to your house, then bring them in here by 5 p.m. Wednesday, so that's today, every week, because we have a sale every Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So what happens is you bring them in, or you can give us a ring and get the courtesy trailer, or we'll arrange a delivery person for you. Get them in here by Wednesday, and then they can make it into the sale every Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Then if you'd like to, and you can't make it in by Wednesday, you can bring your items in the Friday, Saturday and Sunday. The only day we don't have items coming in is the Thursday. Now, already people have brought in lots and lots of good things for this Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We've got a range of 1,000-litre tanks out there. We've got a great builder's trailer. We've got iron, fencing. We've got lots of things for the outdoors. A great little tinny there. It's got a Johnson 30 motor on it. It includes brand new fuel tank and lines. We've also got motorbikes and things like that. We've got lots of things for the outdoors that are things like your plants and outdoor settings and that sort of thing. There's a really nice 8-seater square table with all, looks like it's brand new. There's another, actually, I'd pretty much say it's a matching glass square table like the other one. There's lots of camping gear. There's tents, sleeping bags, matting, eskies and that sort of thing. Some huge pots, great stone seats and that sort of thing. Barbecues. Now, there's also for the outdoors, there's a parasailing frame, I think it is.
Oh, okay.
I'm not entirely sure exactly how it works. Maybe somebody that's into that type of thing would be able to tell us. Maybe it's a frame for when you go along the beach with your big parachute. I'm not exactly sure what it is. So maybe somebody can come in and tell us about that. So it definitely looks like it would be a fun type of machine, but I'm not sure how to use it. Now, perhaps the safety harnesses that are in it might even help you with that.
I was going to say, we'll just push you off the roof and see if you fly.
Yeah, that's right. Well, we do. Someone else has booked in some safety harnesses, and we've got some rollerblades, and we've got the helmets. So I tell you what, we've got it all. We've got the camping gear, so you can go and do that somewhere remote. And I'll stop there. We've got a bit of everything as usual. Lots of gifts as well. For those that are perhaps want something a little bit quieter, we've got a few flat screen TVs in. We've got a range of paintings, original paintings too. Some really nice oils and watercolours there. We've got bikes and golf sets and kayaks and skis and all of that sort of thing. All your white goods, your fridges, freezers and that sort of thing. Appliances, renovation items. For those that might be doing up another room, we've got that panel timber flooring and the underlay that goes with that as well. We've got a lot of scaffolding and some really, really big steel ladders and that sort of thing too. Our furniture, really nice dining tables, everything including a Diamond Creek formal 8-seater to a rustic cottage-style table that would seat up to about 12 people. There's also a really nice white setting, so everything for everyone's different decors. Lots of different lounge suites. And we still have lots and lots of beds, including brand new mattresses, everything from queen to single, sliding doors and internal doors and external doors and screen doors and all of that, tyres and tools, including truck tyres, Yokohama 295/80, 22.5 truck tyres. You can tell I know nothing about truck tyres. And everything for the pets as well, including fish tanks, bird cages and dog kennels.
Excellent.
I think I've covered it.
I think you have. So, Tender Centre, where are you located?
Okay, so 217 McDougall Street, Toowoomba. We're between Bridge and Taylor Streets at Wilsonton. We've got just about everything, plus lots more than what I listed. You can also check us out online at tender.net.au. You can even bid online between 9 a.m. Friday to 3 p.m. Sunday, and check out our Facebook page. We've always got a few pickies on there.
And your phone number?
Our phone number, the all-important phone number for getting that courtesy trailer is 46340044.
Well, have a good one, Karen, and no doubt we'll talk again next week.